Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Century Textile. Is it the right time to buy the stock at this point of time or one should avoid it? So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do it with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Century Textiles, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and a number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, if you can pay $100 upfront, you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. For detailed market or company talk, you can directly email me and we can work things out with a fee. Now about the company, Century Textile is engaged in manufacturing of textile, cement, pulp and paper and real estate. So they are a conglomerate and into diversified businesses, prevalent mostly in South and Western India, and the market cap of the company is around 9,000 crore. They produce Portland cement, ready mix concrete and dry mortar products as well. So majorly they were into cement, and then they you can say diversified into paper, etc. Plus they have a lot of real estate with them as well. Decent dividend yield is there, and they have reduced debt over the years sharply. In terms of numbers, this is you can say June quarter numbers that came in just recently. Sales went up by 40% to around 1200 crores, and profit was pretty good. The profit actually doubled from 21 crores to nearly 45 crores. Debt has remained stable. Higher raw material cost has hurt the numbers, otherwise the numbers would have been even better. And going forward, there will be an issue with the higher raw material cost for the company. ROE at 22% looks good. Margins at 14% has declined, but hopefully it should remain around here, although there will be pressure of raw material cost for a quarter or so. If you look at the performance of the stock, then stock is flat on a 1 year basis. If you look at the chart, then on a 1 year basis the stock has done nothing, but business looks like coming back into shape and looking good at the moment. Numbers have been decent, and we are seeing that the numbers have improved significantly from say a decade back or 6-7 years back, but they are going to be hampered by high raw material costs for at least a quarter or so. There's decent promoter and institutional holding, which is pretty positive. But business is capital intensive, so I have always liked businesses that are more, you can say, cash generating or that deal in cash. But in this case, these businesses are more capital intensive and require a lot of gestation period to get the performance done and have, you can say, profits come in on the bottom line. So my call on the stock is that the one you should hold. If you have the stock, then definitely hold on to the stock. But if you have not bought onto the stock, then probably what you can do is buy into simpler businesses in which you are able to understand as to how the numbers pan out. Like you can say consumer oriented companies. And if you really want to buy cement companies, and you can buy into large cement companies as well. So this was a video on Century Textiles. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you get my videos straight away when I post it. Thanks a lot for watching.